We're going to have a look at the kind of questions that you'd be expected to answer during the assessment on ratio. Okay, so have a look at this first one. Train has 3 grades of ticket prices. Grade A is the most expensive, grade B is the middle, grade C is the cheapest. Cheapest ticket on the train was £4. The ratio of ticket prices was 4 to 3 to 1, so A to B to C, it's 4 to 3 to 1. What is the price of each ticket? My ratio is 4 to 3 to 1. The cheapest ticket was £4, so my C was £4. To get from 1 to 4, I've times by 4, so I need to do the same with the other two. 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. Let's make sure we answer the question. So ticket B is £12. Ticket A, £16. And just so we are clear, and ticket C was the cheap one at £4. Okay, next question. A garden has 3 types of plants: flowers, trees and bushes. The ratio is 5 to 2 to 3. There were a total of 80 plants in the garden. How many of each plant is this? So it says the word total in it. That's a big hint. Big hint that it's the one where we need to find the total. So the total of 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. Total here is 80. So I need to do 80 divided by 10, which is 8. Now that is what 1 share is worth. So F, which is the flowers, it's going to be 5 times that. So the flowers, better not put dots there, it's too much like a ratio. Into that. So flowers would be 5 times 8. So it'd be 40 flowers. Trees would be 2 times 8, so there'd be 16 trees. And bushes would be 3 times 8, so there would be 24 bushes. And again, we can do a wee check. 40 add 16 add 24 is 80. That's the total we're looking for. Okay. Next question. So at an arena, there are 3 grades of seating ticket sales. Grade A being the most expensive, then grade B in the middle, grade C the cheapest, and the cheapest seats are £15. The ratio is 5 to 2 to 1. What's the price? Excuse me, sorry. What's the price of each price? Try again. What was the price of each type of seat? So my ratio is 5 to 2 to 1. The cheap one, my C, I need to stop talking and writing at the same time, is £15. That goes under that £15 to get from 1 to 15 times by 15. So I need to do the same here. I need to do the same here. 5 15s, 75. Sorry, brain being a bit slow there. And then make sure that we answer the question. So A costs £75. B costs £30. And C costs £15. Okay, part B. The ratio of each type of ticket sold was 2 to 5 to 4. So the arena has a total of 2,200 seats. If every seat was sold, how much money will the arena get from the tickets? So we need to use this information to work out how much of each ticket was sold. So we know how much each ticket costs. Now we need to work out how much of each ticket was sold. So it's used the word total. So I'm going to start by finding the total. 2 add 5 add 4 is 11. My total was 2,200. I'm going to divide that by 11. That gives me 200. Okay, so that's what 1 share would be. So these are my A, my B, my C. So A is 2 lots of that. So A would be 400 seats. B is 5 lots of that. So B would be 1,000 seats. C is 4 lots. So that would be 800 seats. And it's always worth a quick check. 4 add 8 is 12. Yeah, that adds up to 2,200. Okay, but we're not asked how much of each, or how many I should say, of each seat would be sold. We are asked how much money they would make. Okay, so A cost 75 and there were 400 seats. So I need to do 400 times 75, which is, let's get my calculator out now, 30,000. B, there was 1,000 seats sold, each seat was £30. And that's also 30,000. C, there were 800 seats sold, each seat was £15, which is 12,000. So the total would be 30, 60, £72,000. Okay, I'll leave you to practice some of these. As ever, please get in touch if you have any questions at all.